The universe is trillions of years old, and the stars are collapsing because they have lost almost all of their energy. All of the universe has been colonized by humans. Using wormholes and faster-than-light travel like warp drives, humans spread across the cosmos and harvested the energy of most stars. There are billions of colonies orbiting dying stars, living inside massive space structures called megastructures. With the help of AI, humans developed methods to grow and sustain human brains connected to simulated worlds. These worlds were perfect, like living in heaven, but only inside a simulation. They were essentially brains in jars, interacting with the environment through neural signaling. Over billions of years of technological advancement, people began living in pods with full human bodies, but they slowly realized the body wasn't needed, only the brain. Each brain was given a virtual avatar to interact with others inside the simulations they built, alongside AI. However, the simulations depended on the energy of the stars each colony orbited, and those stars had been losing energy for billions of years. Scientists had studied the potential end of the universe for an unimaginable amount of time, but none found a way to stop it, until a growing mind in a human settlement called X2 tried to solve the problem. This brain identified as a woman named Ariana. She was 1,000 years old, relatively young for a brain's lifetime, and she loved science. Ariana was one of the few who chose to opt out of the simulations and live in the real universe. She controlled humanoid robots and interfaced with machines to perform experiments. She became an engineer, working with AI to improve the lives of other brains still inside the simulated worlds. She built a humanoid robot that rode around on a unicycle. She called it Spacebot. The reason she made him ride a unicycle was because it was her favorite toy from the simulation, one that had taught her about physics. She wanted to rebuild it in the real world as both a memory and an engineering challenge. Ariana spent 200 years studying gravity and space-time. While collecting data from gravitational waves, she discovered strange binary signals hidden within them, signals that formed a message. When she decoded the message, it said, "There is a way to reverse the time of the universe by editing its code using the terminal. Find the hidden artifacts and insert them into the terminal to reverse time." She realized this might be the only way to prevent the ultimate end of life in the universe. Most scientists laughed at her discovery. They called it impossible. But Ariana didn't stop. She decided to search for the terminal herself. Now, as the last stars fade, Ariana and Spacebot prepare to travel across countless dying worlds, to find the artifacts, to activate the terminal, and to try to restart the universe itself.